Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to increase pointer size in your MacBook. If you are using MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, any MacBook, you will follow these steps to increase the size of your pointer in MacBook. So what you have to do, first of all, you will see Apple logo here. Now just click on it, and here you will see system settings. Just click on it, and when you click on it, here you will see many options. Now you have to go to your here accessibility. Okay, just click on it, accessibility. Then you have to click on this display options. When you click on display options, here you will see many options. Now you have to scroll down, and here you will see pointer size option. Now you can just, it is on normal. Now you can just, like this, you can increase the size of your pointer like this. And here you will see pointer outline, you can also change it, and pointer color, you can also change the pointer color from here. Okay, so like this you can do this. So if you like this video, please like my video, also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.